Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a protein and calcium rich oil-free salad recipe for weight loss. This filling, nutrient dense and fiber rich salad is an ideal meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I have already heated my pan. I'm adding in 1 cup of sesame seeds and I'm lightly roasting the sesame seeds on low flame. Instead of roasting the sesame seeds on the stove top, you can also toast the sesame seeds in an oven. Sesame seeds are naturally rich in calcium. It also helps to balance your hormones, hence ideal to include in your diet if you have hormonal issues like thyroid and PCOS. Make sure that you're roasting the sesame seeds on low to medium flame. Keep stirring the seeds so that you can make sure that it is not getting burnt and evenly roasted. Once the seeds starts to crackle and becomes light golden brown in color, transfer to a plate and allow it to cool down. Into my small chutney grinder, I am adding in 10 whole black peppercorns, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. This is entirely optional. If you don't prefer the flavor of garlic, you can totally omit it. Into this, add in the sesame seeds. Note that the seeds should be slightly warm. I'm keeping aside little seeds to garnish. And I'm going to blend this. Let's open and check. As you can see, the seeds are lightly ground and it has become slightly wet as well. At this stage, I'm squeezing in half of a lemon. Again, cover and blend. And I blended it until I got this consistency. Into a bowl, I have added the ground sesame seeds. And let me just show you how smooth the sesame seeds paste is. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. And when you're using apple cider vinegar, make sure you're using the one with the mother. The mother is actually the healthy gut friendly bacteria. So this is my salted amla, and I'm also adding in a couple of tablespoons of the brine from the amla. And I'm giving this a good mix. Give it an extra immunity boost. I'm using my fermented honey garlic. I fermented this last April. Once it is fermented, the garlic will become dark like this. The honey will become a thin syrup. This has a very delicious flavor and helps to boost your immunity. I'm adding in some honey garlic into this along with some honey. And giving it a good mix. For the salad, I have already finely chopped 1 medium-sized onion, about half cup of pomegranate seeds, 1 cup of channa boiled, 1 grated carrot and 1 tomato chopped. Into this, I am adding in half of the sesame seeds paste. To make it more nutrient dense, I am grating in 1 salted amla. Already shared how to make salted amla at home. So I'm just simply grating it into the bowl. Now this is entirely optional. If you don't prefer the flavor of salted amla, you can totally omit it. Next, I'm grating in a small piece of ginger, some finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped green chilies as needed, some roasted sesame seeds, and lastly, I'm going to give it a good mix. Sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds, and my super healthy weight loss salad is ready to serve. You can enjoy this protein rich salad as a meal for lunch or for dinner. The healthy fats in the sesame seeds will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus, it helps in weight loss and weight management. So guys, do try this healthy salad recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.